The world of work in Kenya has changed in a big way over the past few years. More people are now working from home than ever before. In 2026, remote jobs are no longer just a side hustle. They have become a main source of income for many Kenyans. With a laptop, a smartphone, and a stable internet connection, people are now able to earn money from clients all over the world without leaving their homes. This has opened doors for students, graduates, stay-at-home parents, and even full-time employees looking for extra income. One of the main reasons remote jobs are growing fast in Kenya is the increase in internet access. Many areas now have reliable fiber connections and affordable mobile data. This means more people can work online without interruptions. At the same time, companies around the world are now comfortable hiring remote workers. They are looking for skilled and affordable talent, and Kenya has a large number of educated and hardworking people ready to take up these opportunities. Freelance writing is one of the most popular remote jobs in Kenya. It is easy to start because you do not need a degree or expensive tools. If you can write in clear English and understand basic grammar, you can begin. Writers create blog posts, website content, product descriptions, and social media posts for businesses. Many beginners start by earning around Kenya shillings 20,000 per month, but with time and experience, some writers earn over Kenya shillings 150,000 monthly. The key to success in writing is consistency and improving your skills every day. Another common remote job is working as a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant helps businesses with daily tasks such as managing emails, scheduling meetings, and doing online research. This job is suitable for people who are organized and good at communication. Many Kenyans are earning between Kenya shillings 40,000 and Kenya shillings 120,000 per month as virtual assistants. The good thing about this role is that you can work with multiple clients and increase your income over time. Social media management is also growing very fast. Many companies want to build their presence online, but do not have the time to manage their accounts. This is where social media managers come in. They create content, reply to messages, and help brands grow on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. If you understand trends and know how to engage people online, this can be a great opportunity. Some social media managers in Kenya are earning up to Kenya shillings 150,000 per month, especially when working with international clients. Customer support is another remote job that is becoming popular. Many companies hire remote workers to handle customer questions through email, chat, or phone calls. This job requires good communication skills and patience. It is a good option for beginners because training is usually provided. Earnings range from Kenya shillings 40,000 to Kenya shillings 130,000 per month. Some companies even offer bonuses for good performance. Graphic design is a great option for creative individuals. Designers create logos, posters, social media graphics, and websites. If you know how to use tools like Canva or Photoshop, you can start offering your services online. Many designers begin by earning small amounts, but experienced designers can make over Kenya shillings 300,000 per month. Building a strong portfolio is very important in this field because clients want to see your work before hiring you. Software development is one of the highest-paying remote careers in Kenya. Developers build websites, mobile apps, and software systems. This job requires learning programming languages such as JavaScript and Python. It may take time to learn, but the rewards are very high. Some developers earn between Kenya shillings 100,000 and over Kenya shillings 1 million per month. This makes it one of the most attractive remote careers for young people willing to invest time in learning. Online tutoring is also becoming a strong source of income. Many people around the world are looking for teachers, especially in English and other subjects. If you are good at explaining things, you can teach students online. Tutors can earn between Kenya shillings 50,000 and Kenya shillings 200,000 per month, depending on the number of students and hours worked. This job also gives you the freedom to choose your schedule. Data entry and transcription jobs are suitable for beginners who are just starting out. These jobs involve typing information or converting audio into text. While the pay may not be very high at the beginning, it can still provide a steady income. Many people earn between Kenya shillings 20,000 and Kenya shillings 80,000 per month. Accuracy and speed are very important in this type of work. Affiliate marketing is another way Kenyans are making money online. This involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your link. You can use a blog, YouTube channel, or social media to promote products. Some people start small but grow to earn over Kenya shillings 200,000 per month. The advantage of affiliate marketing is that it can become a source of passive income over time. In 2026, a new type of job is also emerging in the field of artificial intelligence. AI content reviewers and prompt engineers are now in demand. These professionals help improve AI systems by reviewing and guiding the content they produce. This job is still new, but it is growing quickly. Many people are earning between Kenya shillings 50,000 and Kenya shillings 150,000 per month in this field. Starting remote work in Kenya is not difficult, but it requires effort and patience. The first step is to choose a skill and learn it well. There are many free and paid courses online that can help you. After learning, you need to create a strong profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. A good profile should clearly show your skills and experience. It is also important to build a portfolio, even if it means doing a few free or low-paid jobs at the beginning. Consistency is very important when applying for remote jobs. Many people give up too early after sending a few applications. Success usually comes to those who keep trying and improving. It is also important to avoid scams. You should never pay money to get a job. Real employers pay you for your work, not the other way around. There are challenges in remote work, but they can be managed. One common challenge is unreliable internet. This can be solved by having a backup connection, such as mobile data. Another challenge is competition. Many people are now looking for remote jobs, so you need to stand out by specializing in a specific niche. Payment methods can also be an issue, but services like PayPal and Wise have made it easier to receive money from international clients. Remote jobs are changing lives in Kenya. Many people are now able to support their families, pay school fees, and improve their living standards without leaving their homes. The flexibility of working from home also allows people to have more time for their families and personal growth. The future of remote work in Kenya looks very bright. As technology continues to grow, more opportunities will become available. Young people who start learning digital skills today will be in a strong position to benefit in the coming years. Remote work is no longer just a trend. It is a new way of life, and Kenya is part of this global shift. In the end, success in remote work depends on your willingness to learn, adapt, and stay consistent. You may start small, earning just a few thousand shillings, but with time and effort, you can build a stable and rewarding career. The opportunities are there, and the time to start is now.